Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make another super easy cocktail, the Moscow Mule. We're going to need only 3 ingredients to make it. Now this drink is traditional served in a copper mug. I got this on Amazon, they're really affordable. I'm going to leave the link in the descriptions for you if you guys want to get them. I'm also going to leave the recipe for you. Alright, without further ado, let's make today's cocktail. Alright, so for this cocktail we're going to need vodka, I'm using Tito's today, ginger beer, and some fresh lime juice. Alright, so we're going to start by adding crushed ice into a copper mug. Next, we're going to add 2 ounces of vodka. Half ounce of lime juice. And finally, we're just going to top it up with ginger beer. And we're going to garnish this with a lime wedge. And that's how you make a Moscow Mule. If you like the video, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. Also hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And as always, thanks for watching, and until the next one. Cheers!